Simple pancake recipe. Hello, breakfast enthusiasts. Today, we will learn how to make simple and fluffy pancakes. Pancakes are a popular breakfast dish and can be topped with a variety of ingredients. Let's start flipping. Ingredients: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, butter for cooking, maple syrup for serving. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. 2. In another bowl, whisk together the milk and egg. 3. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. 4. Heat a pan at a medium heat and add a little butter. 5. Pour a scoop of batter into the pan and cook until bubbles form on the surface. 6. Flip the pancake and cook until golden brown. 7. Serve the pancakes with maple syrup. 8. Enjoy your simple and fluffy pancakes.